In my previous videos, I showed you how I designed this house step by step to the final design that I wanted. I told you that I got this house from social media. It was a meme, and this person was trying to express his feeling on what he would do, or how people would know that he has got money overnight. So basically, this is what we got after. My name is Muswake Yasin. I'm an architect, interior designer, and a landscaper. And this is my channel. Consider subscribing if you like such kind of content. This house that you see, this is the final render. This is the walkthrough of the final design of a one-bedroom house. In the previous, from our inspiration image that we have, all we can see is a one-bedroom house. That's how I predicted it could be. It could be one room structure. Should we call it even a house? One room structure maybe. But I considered maybe it is having a sitting room, small sitting room, and then a bedroom where that person sleeps. Then, in our reimagination of the design, to design what we wanted, we put a parking space, because you can see that person needed a parking space. We added a parking space and an improved one. We added some greenery. Then, of course, we maintained a one-bedroom house, because we are just basically maintaining the house, our inspiration, but reimagining it just as our passion, as my career. All right, make sure you subscribe. And this is a walkthrough. Keep on. And if you didn't watch my previous episodes, episode 1, episode 2, and episode 3, you can consider visiting my channel. You're going to see all those videos. They are right there, from the planning to architecture drawing to 3D modeling, and then to the rendering, because this is the final design.